Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix. This version of Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step is to search for Valorant. Right-click Open File Location. Right-click on Valorant Open File Location. Right-click here, Properties. Compatibility. Click here and then select Windows 8. Apply and close. Well, we will go to the BIOS. Well, the first step is to go to the BIOS of our PC. It depends on your board. In my case, it's an ASRock, so I just turn off the PC and press several times the F2 key. But if you do not have ASRock, Google how to access the BIOS with your board. Well, here I am in the BIOS. If your BIOS is different, don't worry, just look for the same options or the most similar ones. First, I will go to Security and enter Secure Boot. Here, we will put Secure Boot Customization in the Custom option. Then, go to Key Management, and here, click on the Install Default Secure Boot Keys option. Go back and set Secure Boot to Enabled. Now we will exit but save the changes. And that's it. If the video helped you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.